Today we're talking branded boxes and is it worth it? It's got a very special delivery. When do you use a branded box? When do you not use a branded box? Pros and cons to both. A few of our customers at Ship Hero Fulfillment love using branded boxes. It's a really nice experience. If you're gonna use a branded box, try to limit the amount of sizes you have. The reason you'd only want to use a couple of different types of boxes, sizes, is that you don't want to have to keep them all in stock. You can limit it to one box and one poly mailer. It's an ideal kind of profile. It's going to cost you 5 to 10% more probably, which does add up. I know even though it's single digits, it will add up. Usually too, you will need to have a plate made. That can be anywhere from $500 to $700. I'm going to link a few of our favorite custom boxes for branded box makings in the comment section. And if you have any questions, you can always ask. Some greenies, because they each have about 3 teeth left. They're excited about this. They've got some poo bags, not as exciting. That's exciting for me. Got the toys. Branded boxes make for a lot of fun, a lot of excitement when someone gets home. Porch piracy is always on the rise. So having a branded box, if you have a very expensive item, I actually suggest not to have it because people might be lookout for that box. So